Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically check if your video will be copyrighted. I guess I think the minimum for that is a minute, so I'm just going to add in like a minute of a video here, and I'm going to also add in a minute of a song. Then I'm going to go to the export section, and this is where you can kind of so that one needs Capcut Pro for it. So I think I'm just going to pretend there's music in this video. Then you're going to go to the export section, and if you scroll down, there's going to be a run a copyright check. You're going to turn that on, and you're just going to wait for it to process. Of course, my video won't be copyrighted because it's my video and there's no sounds that I used. But I think the minimum is 1 minute. Let me see if I added like a song. I don't think it will still be copyrighted because it's less than a minute, but I'm not sure. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.